The main couple of areas where we see issues in condominium ownership come up in handling repairs to the buildings and units and enforcing the rules and regulations. So, for most people, one of the main advantages of a condominium is that they'll not have to manage and pay out of pocket for many of the maintenance and repair items on their property. As for who does what for repairs, the declaration itself will control whose responsibility a given repair will be, the association or the unit owner. There'll be a detailed description of exactly what constitutes the unit for the sake of repairs, and that's where an owner should look for guidance. Anything that falls under the description of unit, the owner has control over. There may be some restrictions on changes that can be made in order to protect the safety and comfort of others, as an example, but generally the owner is given quite a bit of latitude in changes that they can make to their unit. Association repairs will typically happen on a set schedule, which is set by the board of directors. Often, an association might hire a firm to conduct what's called a reserve study. This is a detailed examination and inspection of the buildings and an audit of the accounts to see if there will be sufficient funds in that reserve account to cover the necessary repairs which will come up over the lifetime of an association. The association collects a monthly condominium fee from each unit, and a portion of that fee is typically set aside into a reserve fund from which those major repairs and replacements will be paid on an ongoing basis. The reserve study is used as a way to put into reserve what will be needed at the time that the repairs have to be done. If your fees are too low, this could mean a shortfall at the time that the repairs come up. In that case, an association might then have to levy a special assessment to collect what's needed at the time, and that can be an uncomfortably large amount. So just because a fee for a condominium association might be lower at one when compared to another, a higher condominium fee might not be a bad thing. It could represent that the association with the higher fee has been proactive about collecting on schedule against those future repairs like roofs or parking lot expenses.